Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the agriculture industry by introducing innovative methods and efficient management techniques. Below is a detailed explanation of 5 key ways AI is enhancing agriculture. 1. Data analysis and weather forecasting. Right-finger farmers rely heavily on weather conditions to determine the best time for planting, harvesting, and resource usage. However, climate change has made traditional forecasting methods less reliable. 1. How AI helps. AI uses machine learning, ML, to analyze past and present weather data, helping predict future weather conditions. Farmers can receive accurate recommendations on when to plant, harvest, or apply fertilizers. AI can detect potential crop diseases by analyzing weather and soil data. Small diamond example. IBM Watson Decision Platform for Agriculture provides precise weather forecasting for farmers. 2. Automation in planting and harvesting. Right-finger modern agriculture is increasingly incorporating AI-powered robotics to help farmers automate various tasks, including planting, monitoring, and harvesting. 1. How AI helps. Drones equipped with computer vision can capture images of fields to assess crop health. Robots can be used for planting and watering crops based on AI data analysis. AI-driven automated harvesters can efficiently collect crops while minimizing waste. Small diamond example. Iron Ox, a company using AI-driven robots for fully automated farming. 3. AI in livestock farming. Right-finger managing livestock requires monitoring animal health, diet, and disease prevention. AI is helping farmers improve productivity and reduce losses caused by diseases. 1. How AI helps. AI-powered computer vision can scan animals and detect signs of illness. AI can analyze livestock feeding patterns to ensure proper nutrition. AI is used in large-scale dairy and poultry farms to optimize animal care. Small diamond example. Connectera, an AI system for monitoring cattle health and increasing dairy production. 4. Resource management optimization. Right-finger farmers need water and fertilizers to maintain crops, but excessive usage can lead to environmental damage and increased costs. AI is helping optimize resource usage. 1. How AI helps. IoT, Internet of Things, plus AI can monitor soil moisture and climate conditions to provide the right amount of water. AI can predict the exact amount of fertilizer needed, reducing overuse and environmental harm. Smart irrigation systems use AI and sensors to control water distribution automatically. Small diamond example. John Deere See and Spray uses AI to apply herbicides more efficiently, reducing waste. 5. Market analysis and selling agricultural products. Right-finger farmers often struggle with finding the right market and setting competitive prices for their products. AI is helping improve marketing strategies and customer engagement. 1. How AI helps. AI analyzes market trends and product prices to help farmers set the best-selling prices. AI-powered blockchain ensures transparency and security in agricultural supply chains using smart contracts. AI-driven chatbots assist farmers in communicating with buyers and increasing sales. Small diamond example. IBM Food Trust uses blockchain to track food supply chains and ensure transparency. Conclusion. AI is making agriculture smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable. It helps reduce costs, increase productivity, and ensure food security. In the future, smart farming will become a crucial part of modern agriculture. Tractor seedling.